So I have this book called Reflections of Fort Smith. It was published in 1976. This is an original, and it's falling apart. It really is. I mean, it's falling apart. But a lot of historical things. So I have this book, Reflections of Fort Smith. It was published in 1976. And this is an original. It's falling apart, but it's got a lot of interesting things. Fort Smith, old places. And one of them is very interesting. Is this floor is it's blown away. So I have this book, Reflections of Fort Smith. It was published in 1976, and it gives a good history, lots of old photos about Fort Smith, Arkansas. And it's very windy out here. Here's a old picture of Miss Laura's old. So I have this book, Reflections of Fort Smith. It was published in 1976, and it's got a lot of historical information about Fort Smith, Arkansas, a lot of great old pictures. This right here is Miss Laura's Social Club. It was built in 1898. It's a brothel, an old brothel, and this is how it used to look. And here we are we're at the real place. It's actually still standing. It actually exists. The roof has changed a little bit because there was a tornado that came through in 1997 and damaged the roof. So they had to change some of the windows at the top. But you can take tours here. It's part of the Fort Smith Visitor Center. Interesting history.